Do not buy another NFT until you finish watching this video. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last couple of months, a lot of projects are down big time. Bitcoin is heading lower, Ethereum, and pretty much all the altcoins had a major correction. While everything else was correcting, NFTs were making a comeback. Right now, there's a brand new NFT project literally every single hour. It definitely reminds me of the meme coin phase that we experienced earlier in this bull run. Remember like 6-7 months ago when meme coins were the hottest thing, and every single day there was like thousands of brand new meme coins popping up left and right, but majority of them were total scams. And right now the majority of NFTs are total scams. Pretty much out of every 10 NFT projects, one of them is legit. The other ones are pretty much money grabs. That is why I'm making this video, to talk about the brand new scams that are hitting the NFT space. So if you are looking to buy some NFTs, if you are looking to invest, make sure you watch this video. As you guys remember, with meme coins, they had a ton of rug pulls. People will buy the coins, the founders will rug pull and take everyone's money. And that was the case with a lot of NFT projects as well. The regular NFT scams that a lot of people have experienced already, including myself, were very simple. A team creates an NFT project, they sell out 10,000 NFTs, then they simply take the money and vanish. And the people that bought those NFTs are pretty much holding worthless art that nobody wants to buy. And now those scams are on a whole nother level. Before you invest $100, $200, you buy the NFT, they take the money and they vanish, and you're out a couple $100. But now the scams are so dangerous that you could lose absolutely everything. They are robbing entire wallets, completely emptying out people's accounts. That is why I'm making this video, to pretty much warn all of my subscribers and show you guys how these scammers operate. That way they don't end up scamming you and taking your money. Also, towards the end of this video, I will give you the solution how you can avoid this scam. And this is exactly how the scam works. The scammers are going to create a whole new NFT project. They're going to create all the social media with tens of thousands of followers. They're going to create a roadmap, a website, literally everything. It's going to look like a legit project. They're going to make promises of how their NFTs are going to have the most utility and how they're building the next big metaverse game, or whatever the pitch will be. So once they generate enough hype and get a lot of people interested in their project, they're going to be like, all right, the project is open, mint now. And then a lot of people are going to rush to mint, and that is when they will scam everyone. The way the scam works is very simple. The person that is interested in buying the NFT, they're going to go on the website and they're going to connect their wallet. And that is the critical point. Once you connect your wallet, the scammers are going to have full access to it, and they will literally drain your entire wallet. Every single coin in that wallet will be gone, and there's nothing you'll be able to do to stop it. They have bots that will drain your account in seconds. These scams, in my opinion, are the worst of the worst. I have been scammed plenty of times over the last 12 months, and I lost thousands of dollars. There has been plenty of times where I find a brand new meme coin and I'm like, all right, let me put $1,000 in this one. I put my $1,000, couple of days later, my $1,000 is a big zero. Also, I have invested in plenty of NFTs where I invest $500 or $1,000, and then a couple of weeks later, it's only worth $50 or $100, and I lose big time. But that is nothing compared to the scams that are happening right now. There's a lot of people that took $2,000 or $3,000 and turned it into $50,000 over the course of 12 months. And a lot of those people work their butts off to save the money, to invest, to take risk in crypto, to finally have a $50,000 portfolio. Just imagine that person that has worked so hard, and then they're like, all right, let me invest in this NFT. I can invest $100. Next thing you know, their entire portfolio is wiped out. These scammers are ruthless. They have no compassion. And I honestly believe that these scams are going to continue to happen more and more, especially as more new people jump into the crypto space. But there is a way to protect your crypto. And this, in my opinion, is the best way to do it. And that is by using burner wallets. The best way to do this is to pretty much create as many wallets as you possibly can. I know on Trust Wallet and on MetaMask, you can create wallet 1, 2, 3. You can create as many wallets as you want. So next time you are trying to invest in a brand new NFT project, make sure to use a burner wallet. If your goal is to buy one NFT and that NFT costs $200, transfer $200 to that burner wallet and only connect to that website with your burner wallet. This way, if the project turns out to be a total scam, you're only going to lose $200 instead of your entire wallet. So definitely be very, very cautious and definitely start using burner wallets when you are investing into brand new NFT projects. I highly, highly recommend it. Also, to take it up another notch, you can get a burner phone, a burner tablet, burner laptop, where you only use that device to purchase brand new projects. And in my opinion, that will be the safest way to go. But I know a lot of people do not have the funds to purchase an extra phone or extra tablet or a laptop. That is why I start creating multiple wallets on your phone and use a particular wallet just to invest in NFTs. In my opinion, that is still way, way better and more secure than using your main wallet to purchase these brand new NFTs. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. And remember, be very, very cautious. Do your research. Double check the websites that you are on. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. Double, triple check absolutely everything before you connect your wallet. And be very cautious. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Stay safe out there. Peace.